Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, one of the most popular, affordable smartwatch from Redmi, and we have the latest wearable from Realme, the Realme Watch 5. On this video, we are going to compare the packaging, the contents, the design, dimension, specs, and UI of both smartwatches. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables, watch this video, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. Let's go first with the packaging. So this is the Realme Watch 5, and we have here the Redmi Watch 5. They almost have the same style when it comes to packaging. We have a preview here of the smartwatch, and we have some details on the features here, as you can see here. And the other one, we have also the features here. On the other side, we have the specs, and at the back we have some details about the wearable. For the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, we do have the specs here. Here we do have the model number and the color of the smartwatch. Simple, compact, and durable packaging. They almost have the same style. For our Realme Watch 5 here, so the same style, we do have a pull-out box here. It includes the user manual and the charging cable inside. So simple packaging, durable, and compact. We have the Realme and the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. For the contents, we have the user manual and of course the charging cable. So this is the charging cable for our Realme or the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. For the Realme Watch 5, we have this. So both do have a magnetic charging cable, USB Type A. But if you notice here, our Redmi Watch 5 Lite do have a premium cable here, similar to the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 and 9. For our Realme Watch 5 here, simple, no branding, still USB Type A. Again, so check out the difference between the charging cable here. For the contents again, the user manual, the charging cable, and the smartwatch. We have here the smartwatch for the Redmi Watch 5 Active, the charging cable, and the user manual. Next, let's go with the design. For the design, let's have a side-by-side. Both do have a rectangular body frame. For our Realme Watch 5 here, we do have a crown button, rotary crown button, and a speaker on the side, looking like an Apple Watch Ultra. For the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, we do have a premium look here with a glossy body frame. We don't have a rotary button, but instead the home and power button on the side. So in terms of functionality, I like the Realme Watch 5 here. I'm a fan of a crown button. Very easy to use. You can switch from different menus and widgets. As you can see here, you can use the crown button to navigate. For our Redmi Watch 5 Lite here, all that you can do is just home and power button. Again, the side by side comparison of the look, the finish. We have a titanium black, we have a glossy black. The back, Realme, and the other one we do have the Redmi. Both do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin for easy replacement. On the other side, they almost have the same size here, I think. We'll check it later on when it comes to the dimension. So which do you think is better in terms of design? If you want somewhat like a sporty Apple Watch Ultra style, we have here the Realme Watch 5. For a simple minimalist design, we have the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Both do have an AMOLED screen display. Let's adjust the screen here. Brightness, is it full? Yes. Okay. Next, let's check out the dimension. For the dimension, we have 40.5 for the width, 39.6. Okay, just see minor difference here. For the length, we have 46.8. Again, 46.6. And the other one, we have 47 or 48. You see minor difference. For the thickness, let's check. We have 10.7. The other one, okay, it's a bit thick. We have 11.5. So there's a huge difference when it comes to the thickness. For the weight with the strap attached, for our Realme Watch 5, 51.98. For our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, it's just 42. So there's a huge difference when it comes to the weight. It's almost 10 grams. So that's a very huge difference for the weight. Again, for the design, and of course for the specs, let's check it out. You can check it here. For our Realme Watch 5, we have a 1.97 inch AMOLED screen display with a 290 by 450 pixel resolution. For our Redmi Lite, we have a 1.96. You can check it here. We also have some details here, I think. 1.96 inch AMOLED screen display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. That is for the Redmi Lite. So when it comes to this screen size, the Realme do have a slight bigger screen display, but for the pixel resolution, the Redmi Lite do have a higher pixel resolution, 332 pixel per inch, 302 pixel per inch. Both do have a Bluetooth 5.3. Both do have a built-in GPS 5 system GNSS, 14 days battery life, 18 days battery life for our Redmi Lite. So for the battery life, the Redmi Lite will have a longer battery life compared to our Realme Watch 5. IP68 waterproof rating, 180 mAh waterproof. For the support app, the Realme is using the Realme Link app, while the Redmi Lite is using the Mi Fitness. You can check out the complete specifications here. Okay, next, let's check out the UI. So here's the UI for the smartwatch. On the bottom part, we have notifications here, the settings on top, notification on top, settings on the bottom part. You have the dashboard here for popular applications. You have the widgets on the other side, on the right side. As you can see, it has a better UI for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. The same with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So which has a better UI, design, as well as specs? Drop a comment below. On our next video, we are going to focus on the offered menus and features. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.